It was imparted upon me as a young man, mostly by my father, who was a Methodist minister for 40 years, that you should not just find a job when you get older, Chris, not just find a good career, but find your calling, which would be an honorable profession where you could do the most good for as many people in need as you can. And I think that's what kind of sets me aside from some of my colleagues in the defense bar, is that I don't think about this as a job or as a career even. I think about this as a calling, and that calling is to help as many people as I can who are going through tough times. Be it a person who's completely innocent, who's facing a terrible accusation by the government, or be it someone who is a good person who made a mistake. Everyone in those positions is worthy of an advocate and a champion, and that's what I want to be. I want to help them out. And so I think that sets me aside a little bit, and I handle cases and clients a little bit differently than a lot of firms, because here, when someone comes in and we acknowledge their concerns, we tackle those first and foremost. That'll be one of the first questions I ask anybody coming to the office is, what worries you the most about this accusation? Because your concerns are going to be my concerns. And I think I handle those problems and handle those concerns a little bit differently, mostly because of my accessibility to clients. You'll get my personal cell phone and email. If you're awake at 3 in the morning and worried about something, you need to text me and call me. Because if you're worried, I'm worried, and I want to tackle those concerns. And secondly, I think I have the experience and the qualifications that put me at the top-notch tier of all criminal defense attorneys. In less than 10 years, I had tried over 200 jury trials. That's more than most attorneys try in an entire career. I went through that screening process because I've practiced in all aspects of criminal law. I've handled everything from murder cases to traffic tickets and everything in between. I've gone through the additional screening process and the training to be forensically certified in breath, blood, alcohol testing, DNA testing, and all the other types of forensics that are involved in criminal cases. So when a client walks through the door, no matter what they're facing, be it a DWI, an assault case, a felony, a narcotics case, I've been there, I've handled it, I've probably been in a lab to do that testing. And so I think that provides me with an edge over the prosecution. As a former district attorney for Denton County, I know the ins and outs of the court system. I know the judges, I know the prosecutors, how they think and how they're going to handle the case. And by that, I'm able to provide a comfort and an assurance to my clients. Being board certified, you know that I've been in these situations before. I've handled all kinds of cases before, and nothing's going to happen in that courtroom that surprises me. I'll be able to tell you exactly what's going to happen, when, where, and how. If nothing else, you can be at ease knowing the fact that when you hire me, you've hired the best.